Cutting emissions is no longer enough to mitigate climate change. We must also increase the carbon sinks. The sequestration of atmospheric carbon dioxide to agricultural soil through nature's own processes is one of the most effective climate solutions. We study the ways of storing carbon in the soil for a long time and verifying the changes. Us researchers work together with 100 farmers to develop regenerative agricultural practices to enhance the soil carbon sequestration. We use different methods to study the fluxes and sequestration of carbon into the test fields. We also carry out economical and policy analysis to develop feasible and effective solutions of carbon farming. To reach the Paris Agreement climate targets, we need to cut emissions, turn to sustainable circular economy, and take use of the full potential of soil carbon sequestration.
As a farmer, I know that taking care of the soil is key to the productivity. Healthy soil means better yields with less inputs and better resilience to extreme weather. Many current farming practices degrade soil and release carbon instead of storing it. In farming, I have changed the way I think. Instead of only crops, I feed the soil and grow roots. In return, I get good yields and stored carbon. Healthy soil is achieved by maximizing the microbial activity and photosynthesis. In Carbon Action, we already have over 100 farms and many more are willing to join. Farmers are in charge of the climate solution.
We at Valio, which is the biggest dairy company in Finland, have committed to provide carbon farming training to all our 5,000 dairy farms by 2035. We aim at carbon neutral milk chain, and the soil carbon sequestration at grasslands is an important part of it. The Carbon Action business platform is an excellent place for co-creation. It enables information exchange and mutual learning among researchers and businesses. When the big companies in the food chain take action, the work for soil carbon sequestration can really be scaled up fast.
The future of humankind depends on our ability to let nature help us to fight climate change and biodiversity loss. This can happen through sustainable circular economy, even regenerative circular economy. Regenerative agriculture improves soil health as it restores carbon content, which in turn increases productivity. Baltic Sea Action Group Foundation initiated Carbon Action for the multiple benefit it brings for the climate, biodiversity, food security and the Baltic Sea.